Okay, this one is from a newer brand that I'm trying. This will be controversial. Some people will like, some people won't. What are you going for here? I'm just trying different brands. So this is from Secret Male, and it is a red G-string that has lace. And it's a wild G-string, and it has multiple bands. And then they crisscross, obviously up front, and in the back. It's kind of hard to follow what's going on in the back. Kind of have to put it on to see where everything lays. So standard G-string, but wild crisscross and wild lace. It does fit standard medium as my normal size. 93% polyamide, 7% spandex, made in Colombia. So pretty exotic. It's going to be see-through. Should I do deadlifts in it? Not the normal gym wear. Who knows? Okay. It fits. It's a unique style. Not for everyone. Certainly not daily wear for me, but something different. If you want to see this one on and worn, let me know. You can always check out my OnlyFans. You might see it there.